So it's your toe. She got a bump. That's how she's sucking her. Oh.
This is my third hot dog.
Wait a minute, and that's your third hot dog. They good. I grilled the shit out of them.
I'm 47 years old. I gotta stay in heavy practice.
I ain't gonna tell you that. Let me put my plate up. All right, Jaguar, right? Where the music at, baby?
I'm disconnected. You want me to reconnect? Well, yeah, you turn on the music on me.
You want me to turn some music? Okay.
All right. DJ,
You already took it off.
listen to me. You've been DJing and I've been hosting online all this time. Now we gotta take it off. I did.
It ain't no. Let me try.
I'm disconnected.
See, now. Oh, baby, that's what.
Surely did. I do know one thing. Miss Todd,
Day.
we're amongst family and friends. We're not sitting on panels, high and drunk, alone in our homes, just talking and yelling, saying, it's so loud, saying all kinds of weird shit, consorting with cyber criminals.
In the oh yeah, you gotta do it. Y'all screen record this. Ready?
Hey, what?
In the club,
Come on.
we be vibing. 3, 2,
Hey!